Are you missing out on free money? Today, we're answering a question that could make a huge difference in your financial future. Should you invest in your company's 401k or 403b plan? We'll break down the pros, the cons, how much to invest, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Now, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Everyone's situation is different, so be sure to consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure. And if you're serious about building long-term wealth, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post clear, research-backed videos every week to help you become a smarter investor. A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by many private employers. A 403b is similar but designed for employees of nonprofits, schools, and hospitals. Both plans allow you to invest a portion of your paycheck automatically, and both offer powerful tax advantages to help you grow your wealth over time. Let's start with the biggest reason to invest in your company's plan: the matching contribution. Many employers will match your contributions dollar for dollar up to a certain percentage, usually around 5% of your salary. That's free money, risk-free, instant returns. Think of it like this. If you earn $1,000 a week and you contribute 5%, that's $50. If your employer matches it, you now have $100 invested. You just doubled your money. And that match, combined with long-term compounding, can snowball into a significant retirement nest egg. There are other great benefits too: tax advantages. With the traditional 401k, your contributions are pre-tax, meaning you lower your taxable income now and defer taxes until retirement. If your plan offers a Roth 401k option, you contribute after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. Automatic investing. Contributions are taken right out of your paycheck, so there's no temptation to spend the money elsewhere. And most plans offer a wide range of investment choices: mutual funds, index funds, and sometimes even target date funds that adjust risk as you age. Now, no plan is perfect. Let's talk about a few disadvantages. First, your money is locked up until age 59 and a half. Withdraw early, and you'll usually face taxes and a 10% penalty. Second, your investment choices may be limited depending on the provider your employer uses. Third, traditional 401ks require you to start taking required minimum distributions, or RMDs, by age 73. And yes, some plans have management fees, but those are often worth it when you're getting a company match. So how much should you invest? At the very least, contribute enough to get the full company match. If your company matches 5% of your salary, then contribute 5%. Don't leave that free money behind. Let's say you make $1,200 per paycheck. A 5% contribution is $60. If your company matches that, you're investing $120 every pay period. If you're able to invest more, great. But start with the match and grow your contributions as your income increases. To wrap it all up, yes, there are a few limitations, but the pros far outweigh the cons. You're getting free money from your employer, you're building wealth automatically, and you're setting yourself up for a more secure retirement. So should you invest in your company's 401k or 403b? The answer is a resounding yes. If it's offered, take advantage of it. It's one of the smartest moves you can make on your financial journey. And if you found this video helpful, check out one of the videos on screen now to keep building your investing knowledge.